Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is Calculus 4.00 on tangents and normals. These problems are taken from the book by Love and Reidville on page 59, and the numbering of the problems are the same, is the same rather. So problem 14, quantity x minus 3y squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0 at the point negative 2 comma 0. So let's focus first on problem 14. So this is power. So we have 2 quantity x minus 3y raised to 1, then times quantity 1 minus 3y prime. The derivative of x minus 3y is 1 times 3 minus y prime. So this is 2 times quantity x minus 3y raised to 1 times 1 minus 3y prime. Then derivative of 8x is 8, so plus 8, then 0 equals 0, so plus 8 equals 0. Replacing x by negative 2 and y by 0, and y prime by m, slope of tangent. So we have 2 quantity negative 2 minus 0, quantity 1 minus 3m plus 8 equals 0. This is negative 4 times 1, negative 4 times negative 3m, 12m. So negative 4 plus 12m plus 8 equals 0. So m, therefore 12m equals 4 minus 8, negative 4 over 12. Slope of the tangent is negative 1/3. And therefore the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of negative 1/3, so 3. So the tangent is in the form x plus 3y because the slope is negative 1/3. So x plus 3y equals x negative 2 minus 3 times 0. So x plus 3y equals negative 2 plus 3 times 0. The equation of the tangent therefore is x plus 3y equals negative 2. While the normal is 3x minus y equals 3 times negative 2 minus 0. So the normal is 3x minus y equals negative 6. So that's for problem 14. So for problem 15, we have given caesoid y squared equals x cubed over 2a minus x at a comma a. So the left side is 2y prime, the right side is derivative of fraction, which is denominator, derivative of numerator, minus numerator times derivative of denominator all over denominator square. So we have 2y prime equals quantity 2a minus x times 3x squared minus x cubed times negative 1 all over 2a minus x squared. So denominator, the derivative of numerator x cubed is 3x squared minus numerator x cubed, the derivative of 2a minus x is 0, then negative 1, so negative 1 all over denominator square. Now replacing x by a, y by x, a, y by a. So this is 2a, then y prime m. So 2am equals 2a minus a times 3a squared plus a cubed, because this is plus x cubed, all over 2a minus a squared. So the numerator is a, 3a cubed plus a cubed, 4a cubed. The denominator is a squared. So 2am equals 4a cubed over a squared. So that's 4a. 4a divided by 2a is 2. The slope of the tangent is 2. So the slope of the normal is negative reciprocal, negative 1/2. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is in the form 2x minus y equals 2 times a minus a. So 2x minus y equals 2a minus a. So the tangent is 2x minus y equals a. While the normal is in the form x plus 2y equals a plus 2a. So x plus 2y equals a plus 2a. So the normal is x plus 2y equals 3a. So that's the equation of the normal expected. X plus 2y equals 3a. Then for the problem 16, the trisectrix y square equals x cubed quantity 3a minus x all over a plus x at the point a comma a. So we distribute first. So we have y square equals 3ax squared minus x cubed all over a plus x. So let's distribute first. Y squared equals quantity 3ax squared minus x cubed all over a plus x. So the right side is again derivative of fraction, which is denominator times derivative of numerator minus numerator times derivative of the denominator all over denominator square. So the left side is 2a y prime, 2y y prime, then equals quantity a plus x times 6ax minus 3x squared minus quantity 3ax squared minus x cubed times 1 all over denominator square. So again, the derivative of y squared is 2y y prime. And we have denominator, which is a plus x. The derivative of numerator consisting of two terms is the derivative of the first is 3a times 2x, so that's 6ax. The derivative of the second negative x cubed is negative 3x squared. Then minus the numerator, we copy 3ax squared minus x cubed. The derivative of a plus x, because a is constant, so it is just 1. Then all over denominator square. Replacing y by a and x by a, so we have 2a y prime n. Replace y prime by n. So 2a n equals quantity a plus a, quantity 6aa minus 3a squared minus quantity 3aa squared minus a cubed all over quantity a plus a squared. So this is 2a times 3a squared, so 6a cubed, this one, then minus 2a cubed all over 4a squared. So 2en equals 6a cubed minus 2a cubed over 4a squared. Then m is, this is 4a cubed over 4a squared, so 4a divided by 2a, so the slope of the tangent is 2. 4 over 4, 1, so a divided by 2a, so the slope of the tangent is a over 2a, so 1/2. The slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal, so negative 2. So the expected equation of the tangent is in the form x minus 2y equals a plus a minus 2a. So x minus 2y equals a minus 2a. The tangent therefore is x minus 2y equals negative a, while the normal is 2x plus y equals 2a plus a. So the normal is 2x plus y equals 3a. So that's it for this video.